For those who are studying or have completed their education, you should explore what activities bring you joy. Along with enjoying your work, consider your goals and background. Look for a job that not only aligns with your interests and passion but also supports your personal objectives. If you find work that fulfills both your enjoyment and your goals, then you've likely found your ideal career. If the career also matches your background, it's an excellent option for everyone, especially for those who completed their education, since you invested your time, money, energy to your studies. Let me explain practically. For example, if my educational background is a master's in social sciences and my goal is to serve people, you should identify your purpose by considering what work keeps you most focused, provides you with the most satisfaction, and what you think and talk about the most. I always think about serving people, discuss it frequently, and focus on it, which is why it is my purpose and goal. You also need to apply this practically. Understand yourself in silence, avoid talking too much. Try to understand yourself quietly, and you will find the answers within you. Don't listen to or watch others, as everyone will give you different advice, which can lead to confusion. Now, consider the tasks you're slightly interested in. You need to practically try those tasks. For example, I am interested in SEO, graphic design, content writing, copywriting, and guiding people. It's crucial to practically try all these tasks and see which one you want to do repeatedly and find enjoyable. If you're getting a bit bored, don't abandon it just yet, but if you're very bored, then consider moving on. For example, I got very bored with SEO, so I stopped doing it. If you don't know how to do these tasks, try learning a bit from YouTube and practice to see if you enjoy them or not. After some practice, I realized that I wasn't enjoying copywriting and content writing either, so I decided to stop doing them as well. I enjoyed graphic design, but not as much as advising and talking to people, so I stopped graphic design as well. Now, guiding people is the only thing left for me. If you don't find enjoyment in these tasks, you can try adding something else you're somewhat interested in, like website building or coding. Now, I will look into the opportunities and tasks within guiding people that align with my purpose, serving people, and match my educational background. My purpose I identified earlier is to serve people, and my educational background is a master's in social sciences. Now, if I see that I can guide people through online business coaching or career counseling, there are many options available. However, it's important to determine which one is the best match. In my case, career counseling seems ideal because it aligns with both my purpose of serving people and my educational background. Your situation may be different. Now, I will focus on what I enjoy and work in that area. For example, in career counseling, I could work in government organizations, non-governmental organizations, online, or create YouTube content on career counseling, or a government job that offers to serve people based on my university degree but ensure that you like a government job or not. Once you identify your best career path, it becomes clear. People often make the process more complicated, but it's not that difficult, you just need to observe yourself. If you're unsure about your career, people will suggest different options, promising various rewards. However, you might end up earning little and wasting time. Finding a career that's ideal for you ensures success, enjoyment, and focus. That's why it's crucial to understand your career path. I have identified a good career path for myself and am performing well in my career. I've shared this knowledge with you for free. If you still need personal assistance tailored to your situation, you can leave a comment, and I'll be ready to help. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe to the channel to receive more similar content. Let me know in the comments if you subscribed. I will do my best to reply to your comments. If you need a detailed video about this topic, then let me know in the comments section. I will create a video about that.